Trying to grow on social media without the right tools is like building a house with just a hammer and nails and hoping for the best. The process is probably going to take forever and the end result is probably not going to be what you're looking for. If you're serious about growing your online presence, it's not enough just to post content. You have to make sure you're posting consistently and efficiently. Today, I'm going to be sharing some tools with you which will allow you to do just that. Okay, we're talking about fast tracking your social media growth by creating content efficiently and consistently. The first way that we're going to do this is by using the AI tools available in Adobe Express to accelerate content creation. So let's do a demo of these tools. First step is to open up Adobe Express, of course. Remember, you can actually sign up and get a free account. The link is below. The first tool I'm going to show you is the resize tool. Now, the reason why we're going to start off with this one is because each social media platforms requires content which are often different dimensions, which basically means that they come in different shapes and sizes. So in order for us to fast track our content creation process and create a piece of content that will work as a Facebook post, as well as a TikTok carousel or an Instagram story, we need to be able to resize our content quickly and efficiently. So let me show you how to do that in just a couple clicks. I've got my Adobe Express account open. I'm going to click on this asset, which is currently square. We're going to click on the resize button. And here you can clearly see the different options for sizes that you can select. So maybe I want to repurpose this as an Instagram story, as a Facebook post, and maybe a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to select those. Then I'm going to hit duplicate and resize. And literally in less than a second, Adobe has resized those assets for me so that they're suitable for those different social channels. That tool is going to make repurposing your content super, super quick, easy, and efficient. The next tool that I'm going to show you is an AI tool, and it's called Generative Fill. So this is great for when you need to edit an image. For example, you might need to add or remove an object or even a person. Generative Fill basically becomes your creative assistant. So let's take this same graphic, and this time I'm going to delete the image that's currently in the center, and I'm going to replace it with one using Generative Fill. So we're going to click on media, and then I'm going to click on generate image. We're going to pick an image size. Let's go with landscape. Here we go. And then on the left, you can see the editing window where you can add keywords to describe what I'd like to see. So this graphic is all about embracing nature. So maybe I add keywords along the lines of something similar to what we had before, I think. So women lying in field. There we go. You can also add reference images, which are great when you want to be really specific about the image that you want this tool to create for you. The content type, so do you want it to be art, photographic? I think I would like it to be art. I'll just go with the default selection. And then you could even pick things like the different styles that you like. So I'm going to click generate and see what it comes up with. Oh my God. Isn't that amazing? Like, how stunning. And then of course, it's giving you a bunch of different options as well. So you don't just have to choose one. Maybe I'll choose this photo is absolutely beautiful. Look at this photo. Sorry. I've obviously used it before, but you're still in shock because that's insane. That's an AI image. Insane, how incredible. The point is though, when you are trying to create content quickly and efficiently, but you want to make sure that it's impactful and it's relevant, you might be in a position where you are stuck for images. Maybe you don't have time to do a photo shoot to capture new images. You can use generative AI to actually create images from scratch that you can use in your own assets. Now, this last tool, before we move on to the next method for fast tracking your growth by being consistent and efficient, this last tool is perfect for you if you get stuck for inspiration. So as you already know, Adobe gives you access to a bunch of templates that you can use for your graphics. What you may not know is that they have this new text to template tool, which allows you to generate a complete editable design just from writing a quick description. Let me show you it. So here you can see I've clicked on templates. I'm going to click on the generate template icon, and here you can see a few different templates popping up. Now I'm going to use one of the prompts that they shared. What about a new yoga announcement? I'm going to click on that, wait a few seconds, and voila, just like that, Adobe has created a few different templates that you can use based on your prompt or description. This tool is perfect for social media posts, flyers, digital cards, all that kind of stuff, because it makes it super easy for you to get started with creating professional looking content in just a few seconds. Okay, so let's move on to method number 2. Remember, we're talking about fast tracking your growth by using the right tools to help you remain consistent, right? One of the best tools for this is going to be using Adobe's built-in content scheduler. Now, a lot of us know already that consistency is the key to growth. So having a posting schedule on your various platforms and sticking to that schedule week in and week out is going to put you in the best possible position to actually experience growth. Your audience will start to learn when to expect content from you, and also you'll be feeding the social media algorithms, which will increase the chances of you reaching more people. In order for us to remain consistent though, we need to have a good process in place, and a good process starts with having a good content scheduler. So with the scheduler built into Adobe Express, you can plan, preview and post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, X, and LinkedIn. And you can do all of this from a single platform. So let me show you. So we're in Adobe Express. I'm going to click on the schedule button. So it's going to open up a calendar window, which you can use to start scheduling your content. All you want to do is click on the day in which you want to schedule some content, click on new post. Here you'll have the option to either upload a new post or a draft post. And once you click on that, you can do things like add your caption, drag and drop your content. You can either choose to schedule this content in advance or choose to publish it straight away. And you can also save your content as drafts for later. So those are my top tools for fast tracking your content creation process. Remember, when you get really good at utilizing these tools, you're able to create content efficiently and consistently. And we all know those two things are the key to growth. Click the link in the description to get started with Adobe Express. And remember, you can create your account for free. Don't forget to stay tuned for episode 4 in my content series, which is all about growing your socials with Adobe Express. See you in episode 4.